Hi, my name is Lucero Olguín, and today I will make healthy recipe. Mango mousse. Ingredients are 1 rice mango, half a cup unsweetened Greek yogurt, a quarter cup coconut milk, 1 scoop of vanilla essence, 7 grams of unflavored gelatin in 1/3 cup of water hot. Mix all the ingredients in the blender and let them refrigerate overnight, and there is a healthy snack. Thank you.